As you lay down to sleep on a cold, snowy night, your heart skips a beat as you see them take flight from a far mountain peak. You see the dark silhouette with wing and claw and beak, taking off from their nests. The Peenie bird, please don't blink. The Peenie bird, they're faster than you think. The Peenie birds are coming down, don't move even an eye. The Peenie birds will kill your town, if you take a step you'll die. As they rise by the thousands into the cloudy sky, everyone in your houses is the forlorn cry. You can hide, but they can see. They will pry with iron beaks. The Peenie bird, please don't blink. The Peenie bird, they're faster than you think. The Peenie birds are coming down, don't move even an eye. The Peenie birds will kill your town, and if you take one step you'll die. You lay quietly under your bed, thinking they'll never see you. But all that's in their evil heads is how they plan to eat you. You find yourself shaking as something smashes your window, and as the glass is breaking, you fear it's your time to go. The Peenie bird, please don't blink. The Peenie bird, they're faster than you think. The Peenie birds are coming down, don't move even an eye. The Peenie birds will kill your town, and if you take one step you'll die. You crawl out into the open and stare in its dreadful eyes. You have clearly ceased hoping.